I'm thankful for today, for the air, for the light, for the way life keeps finding a way through. I'm thankful for today, just to breathe, just to feel, just to say I made it, I'm okay. Thankful for today. Woke up to the morning light, everything just feels so right. Coffee warm and skies are clear, grateful just to still be here. Simple things I used to rush, now I feel them, now I touch every breath.